Good morning, students. In fifth standard, last period we see we start our 8th chapter. 8th chapter name is geometry. Then last period we learned about 14 triangle and types of triangles. 14 triangle and types of triangle. Based on sides, three types are given: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. And next up point is based on angles: acute triangle, right triangle, obtuse triangle. Then next point is altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle. The altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular to the base of the opposite vertex. The altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular to the base is perpendicular to the base from the opposite vertex. From the opposite vertex. The altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular to the base from the opposite vertex. Here we draw triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Then altitude means perpendicular to the base from the opposite vertex. That is point B. AD is altitude. AD is altitude. Here AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Since there are three possible bases of a triangle, therefore there is three possible altitudes. Here point A, we draw altitude from point A. Also we draw point B. Also we draw altitude of point C perpendicular to AB. That is here point C perpendicular is possible altitudes are drawn. The three altitude intersect at a single point O. It's called the orthocenter of a triangle. This point O is called the O is orthocenter of triangle. Orthocenter of triangle. O is orthocenter of triangle. Altitude is also known as a vertical height. Altitude is also known as a vertical height. Altitude may be inside the triangle or outside the triangle. Altitude may be inside the triangle or outside the triangle. We have to triangle. second altitude in this way. Point A. Altitude may be inside of the triangle or outside of the triangle. This is altitude of the triangle. Here AD as well as EB are altitudes. Here AD and EB are altitudes of triangle ABC having same heights. That is AD is equal to EB. Then our next point is exercise 8.3 related examples to types of triangles, that is isosceles triangle, scalene triangle and equilateral triangle. Then our next point is quadrilaterals. Next point is quadrilateral. Our next point is quadrilateral. A closed figure consists of four straight line segments linked end to end in end to end is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a closed figure. Quadrilateral means a closed figure consists of four straight line segments, four straight line segments linked end to end. A closed figure consists of four straight line segments linked end to end is a quadrilateral. Next point is properties of quadrilateral. Properties of quadrilateral. First property is we draw one quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is quadrilateral. A is 110 grams. This is also 110 grams. Then it is 70 grams, 70 degree. Then it is 70 degree. Then a quadrilateral properties of quadrilateral. First one is four sides. First property is quadrilateral having four sides. That is, name of sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. These four are sides of a quadrilateral. Second property is four vertex. Second property is four vertex. That is A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D are these are four vertex of a quadrilateral. Next, the third property is four angles. Four angles. That is angle BAD First one is angle CDA. These four angles are angles of quadrilateral. This is third property. Fourth property is sum of all four angles is sum of all four angles is 360 degree. Sum of all four angles is 360 degree. That is 110 degree plus 110 degree plus 70 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Then our next, this is property. These four properties are properties of quadrilateral. Then our next point is types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilateral. First type is rectangle. First type is rectangle. Rectangle is a type of quadrilateral whose opposite sides are only equal and parallel and all angles are of 90 degrees. Rectangle is whose opposite sides are only equal and parallel and all angles are of 90 degrees. All angles are of 90 degrees. Rectangle is whose opposite sides are only equal and parallel and all angles is of 90 degrees. We draw one rectangle. Rectangle ABCD. Having all angles are of 90 degrees. And opposite sides are equal and parallel. That is AB parallel to CD, AD parallel to BC. That is 8 centimeter. Here it is also 8 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter. It is also 4 centimeter. This is rectangle. Our second type is square. Next type is square. Second type of quadrilateral. Square is a type of quadrilateral whose all four sides are equal. All four sides are equal and all four angles are of 90 degree. Are of 90 degree. We draw one square having four sides are equal. That is, it is 5 centimeter. Then it is also ABCD is a square. Also 5. It is also 5 centimeter. It is also 5 centimeter. Then each of angle is of 90 degree. of angle is 90 degree. A square is a type of quadrilateral whose all four sides are equal and all four angles are of 90. That is, in given one square having four angles are of 90 degree and four sides are equal. That is equal length. That is 5 centimeter. Third type is parallelogram. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. And opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel and opposite angles are also equal. We have drawn one parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. That is, AB equal to CD or AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. And opposite angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. This is parallelogram. Three types of quadrilateral. In general, we have given in quadrilateral ABCD. First one is AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Second one is AD parallel to CD and AB parallel to CD, AD parallel to BC. Third one is angle BAD is equal to angle BCD and angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. Since quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Our next point is the altitude of a parallelogram. Altitude of a parallelogram. Next point is altitude of a parallelogram. Altitude is also known as a vertical height. Altitude of parallelogram. Altitude of parallelogram. Altitude is known as a vertical height. We have drawn one parallelogram. The altitude is A, B, E, F, C, G. And altitude may be inside or outside of parallelogram. That is, A is altitude altitude. This is inside of parallelogram, and BF is also altitude. This is outside of parallelogram. AF and BF are altitudes of parallelogram ABCD. Altitude AE is inside of parallelogram and altitude BF is outside of the parallelogram. Then our next point is diagonal, and we will see in next period.